Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can create or generate an API key for Dropbox. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open dropbox.com/developers on your tab, and then log in on this site right here. Once you make an account, click on Create Apps, and then on the next window, check the scope access, and then choose the type of access that you need. It can be an app folder or a full Dropbox. And then don't forget to name your app. Then click on Create App. Now, from here, you're going to go to Permissions, and then you're going to click on the following: files.metadata.write and files.content.write. After that, go back to Settings, and then scroll down, and you can see your app key, and then you can also see your app secret. If you also need an OAuth 2, you can paste your redirect URIs right here. And once you're done, click on Save. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!